Hello, my name is Gavin, and this is a brief sync episode on how to change your project directory within XAMPP. To fix this issue, it is very simple, and I'll show you real quickly. First, you want to go to your Explorer, go to Apache, go to Conf, and then hit htpdd conf. You'll be presented with this text file. Simply search document root, and over here on line 252 and 253 is where you can change the destination for your library. So I have mine set to my hard drive, and simply I'm just going to copy and paste that onto both of these, and you can make this wherever you desire. So if we look over on my local host, you can see this is the default XAMPP htdocs information. And if I simply start this up, Control-Shift-R, and there is my files, and I can load these websites, do whatever I need to do, and test my PHP. Okay. If you like this episode of BriefSync, please like, comment, and subscribe. I would love to hear ideas you have for future episodes, ideas on how I can improve the quality of these videos, as well as ideas for different types of playlists to create. I already have an idea on a tour and rundown playlist, which is essentially longer tutorial videos, as well as Notion setups, PC setups, that type of thing for tour. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.